One nice thing about these voice commands is that they can make even simple yet very repetitive tasks we do every day very easy. Imagine switching to an app. Maybe you have 10 apps open. If you use Command+Tab, you might need to press it 5 times, or you go to the dock to find the icon, or you open Spotlight and type an app name only for it to recommend another app. I mean, switching or opening an application should be so easy, right? Instead of all that, I have a better solution. I just say it. Open Safari, open Terminal, open Music, open Safari. That's so easy. And another thing that's so similar to this is, let's say you open so many tabs. Maybe you want to look at these photographs a little bit closer, and I'm sure you're opening 10 times more tabs and so on. You go to the next one, or you want to read all these blog posts because you like them, because they're amazing. Then you are reading them. Already we have too many tabs open. Maybe then you want to start from scratch and go to another great blog. Now you want to start over, right? So you want to get rid of all these distractions and really focus on this blog. Essentially, you want to close all these tabs. How do you do that? Of course, if you right click here, you'd see it only says close tabs to the right. How limiting is that? But you can define an action so you don't have to worry about it anymore. You can just click this button and boom, it's gone. Now you can focus solely on this blog post or read about how this is one of the best applications in the entire universe. And how did all this happen? If you go here, you will see that whenever we are using Safari, meaning if Safari is the active application, we have a command here. The command explains it, and essentially we are running an Apple script. Of course, you might not know Apple script, but it's a very small one. Now you can use free large language models to write such Apple scripts anyways. With all the possible actions, you can now enjoy decluttered browsing and very easy completion of repetitive tasks in your life.